In this video, we'll be discussing how to add a cloud account to SolarWinds Observability. From the home page, the first step is to click on the Add Data button in the upper right-hand corner. Then, under the Platform section, choose the appropriate cloud provider. In this example, we'll be using Azure. The next step is to define the display name, which would also be used as the metrics tag by default, and then follow the directions in the documentation to get the client ID, tenant ID, and generate the client secret. Once done, we'll be able to review and select which subscriptions we want to add to the platform, determine which regions are in use, which resource types within Azure are active, and optionally, we can configure log collection or simply skip to the summary step. After reviewing the settings, click on the Submit button, and SolarWinds Observability will begin pulling data. Keep in mind, it could take between 5 and 30 minutes to see data fully populated for different resource types. To view data, either navigate to the Infrastructure tab or under the Analyze Metrics tab.